Alright, so we just got here at the Spillway. Well, not really. I don't know if it's a Spillway, but we're down Pia. Pia caught a red horse. We were going to use our frozen bluegills, but that's even better. We're going to go ahead and eat this thing right here. No, nope, we're going to use the fillet of the fish. Let me wash it real quick. It's like a little toy.
It looks so cool.
Yeah, these things are really cool, man. We got a sucker right here. Technically, for flatheads, you want to use the big head right here, but we don't have the rod that can handle this portion of the head. So we're gonna cut the fillet and we're gonna use that as bait. So what you want to do, you want to just scale it real quick, right? Get all the scent out. You only want to fillet what you're gonna use, right? You see how like the fish is actually really red. So start by the head right here. Just cut a portion of it, just like that. All right. You just want to use the fillet like that. You guys don't know this, but catfish love suckers. So just having this piece right here, see how bloody it is? This fish is very bloody. And it's also important to keep this fish sitting upright because you don't want the blood to ooze out of the body yet. So just like that, use this right here and the channel should be all over it. If not this, then the bluegill should work really well. So today we're savage mode. Oh, it's shallow as heck. Oh, you're right. Bro, look, you're right. That's a fish, dude. That's a fish. Swing it, set it, just set it. Hold the spool, you got it. Reel. You got him. Yeah? Fast. Keep up. Don't let him dig you. Is it stuck? Oh no, I'm stuck too. It's not fish?
No.
What is it?
It wasn't letting.
Oh, dude, your bait's gone, bro. It broke off.
I think I was just stuck, dude.
You sure? No, yeah, it's set. You're good. Bro, your hook broke. You saw it move, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Kid, don't cast far at all. It's literally just right in front of you. Yeah. It's literally just right in front of you. Look at that right here, bro.
Right there?
Yeah, like right in front of you. Yeah. Yep, just let it dangle and float around. There you go, see? Yeah! Got him, yeah!
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. What is it? Oh, it's a smallie, dude! Let's go! Oh, it popped off. It's okay, it's fine. Just a smallie. You just caught one too. Oh, dude, I got a fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice smallie, dude. That's a good smallie. Oh, dude, that's a good one. Damn, ultralight rod too. That's fun, man. Bro, look at that one. 4-pound test.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's a good one, dude. Get up here. Look at that. Oh, nice. You got a good smallie, bro. Stop it. Now that's fun. An ultralight rod.
Yeah.
You cannot complain, man. They get bigger than this. Just letting you guys know. All right, catch and release. Psych, we're eating it, right? Hey, are we eating these?
If you want.
Just kidding.
I thought we were eating everything.
Yep. Oh, got him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Small one.
Nice little change of pace here. It's so much fun. Here, Pia, eat it. Got him. Little dude. These are the ones messing with us. Yo, go fish my spot.
Huh?
Fish my spot. I'm gonna go to a pier spot right there, see if I can get another red horse. Just for a video. Yeah, dude, they're like loaded.
I think my sinker got loose. So it moved down a little bit.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's still-
Yeah, just go fish my spot. Literally right in front of you. So the reason why we are here is because there's a cold snap, and it's like this morning it was like raining and misting. So not the condition you want to be out on a boat on all the time. It definitely beats the heck out of you throughout the day. So here we are fishing at the flowage, down from the flowage. Doesn't make any sense. Messing around, we got some catfish stuff going on. We got smallmouth action going on. We got all sorts of stuff going on. It's just nice, a little change of pace here. Oh, I got something. I got something. Oh, it's a smallie. Nice, dude. Dang, these things are fat. Ah. There we go. Crap. Oh. Got him. Oh no, it popped off. That felt like a good one. All right, I put my battery pack on because I got sick and tired of switching batteries out all the time. It's okay because I'm not like moving around as much. I'm just kind of just fishing one place with the bobber. So, and I'm updating you guys. Like I said, the reason why we are out here is because of the wind. The forecast was wrong. It said there was only going to be 5 miles per hour wind, but nope. Today is more like a, you could say like 15 almost. It's pretty windy out, so that's why we're like, yeah, right, we're not going out there. We stuck it out last night already. We caught a bunch of panfish, but you know, it was kind of miserable. It wasn't fun having to troll all day long. So here we are enjoying the simplicity of being up north fishing spillways or dam, whatever you call it. I got him. It's a smallie. Yeah. They're just so spicy with different colors. Didn't get away this time. Oh, dude. Hey, there we go. Dang, they're crazy. They wild. They are wild. They are so fat. So much fun. There's gotta be some decent smallies in here. Oh, we got a bite, got him, yes. There we go. That's a good. Oh, it's a sucker, yes. Haha. We got a sucker. We did it. This is exactly what I was going for. Yes, dude. Yes. Species completed. We're eating sucker tonight. Stop. Dude, look at that. Oh, dude, it broke. No. It broke off. It's okay. That's a fish, bro. Got him. Oh no, it popped off. It popped off, bro. Yeah, it was a catfish, dude. It was running really fast like a channel, but it wasn't like big. Yeah. Yeah, dude was chewing on it. The heck? I just sat down, I got one. Smallie. Stop, stop it. Stop, stop, stop. I just sat down too. Well, that's a wrap for the river series. What do you catch? Jack! I'm just kidding. I caught smallies.
Got a bunch of smallies.
Yep. Had a few false alarm. It's all good. It's getting cold out here, man. Really cold. So that is it for this episode. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!